Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to find old emails in Gmail. Let's say you have a lot of emails in your Gmail app or your Gmail account and you're trying to find a specific one. So what are the ways to do it? Now you can use a Gmail search bar, which is the one up here. So search mail, click on it, and then use keywords. You can use keywords like, for example, use the subject that has a subject from it to and it has. What do I mean by this? For example, let's say I'm looking for an invoice. All right, invoice, and I'm looking for from John Doe. So I can write from John Doe, from John. Now, and then you can put the email address from John dot, let's say excel@gmail.com, blah blah blah. Then you can say to who, to you, to search everything. And then you don't have attachments, you can add attachments also. So I don't have attachments, so let's leave like this. And then you can see, click on search. So you see no messages match your search, because I actually do not have any message or invoice from John Doe at all. But if you do, you will see it here to show you. Now you can also use the date range. Now how do? You can use when you want to search here. So you click on that. You can see the two subjects where it doesn't have size, date, search, attachment. And that is the best way to actually do it. You use a filter. So instead of that, so invoice from John Doe here to me, or sorry, what's the because invoice, so this one be invoice. What word does it have? You write the words here. What does it not have? You put it here. The size, you put it greater than and less than, so number of words. Then if you want to use, like I said, date range, you can use this date range, date within. You can say 1 week, 2 weeks, this are the days, and you can also pick from the calendar. If you want to choose a particular date and you put it here, choose the calendar, put it here. Then you can search all emails or a specific type of email, maybe inbox, start, sent, draft, charts. Choose the category you want. If it doesn't have attachment, if you just click on this, then you click on create filter or you click on search and to search for you. It's as simple as that. So you can also utilize the all mail view. Now you can also, instead of you're as inbox, now you can start to use all mail. How? Click on more here, click on all mail, and then when the all mails appears, then you can now search for what you're looking for. As you can see, sorry, let's go back. We have from. Click on from, put whoever you want to get the message from to show you the person. So mails. So that's it. Then you can choose any time, or you can choose maybe this is also is a schedule, date range. Is it other than a week, other than a month, other than 6 months, other than a year? You can customize the range by clicking on custom range and put start date and end date and click on apply to search also. So now you want to use advanced search operators. You can also use advanced search operators, that is combine keywords, use and. For example, invoice and from John Doe at example.com. You can also exclude the use of USE. You can say invoice urgent. Then you can search for emails with specific file type. For example, has PDF, the part of has, instead of has the words to be PDF here. You have a PDF document to search. Then you can also check the trash folder. If you accidentally deleted the image and you want to search for it, and let's say you search here, you didn't see it, you can go to trash here and click on trash to see if the message is there. Sometimes it is there. Then you search using all this attachment, all this, and you want advanced search, click on advanced search. Like I said, use all this and search for it. It's as simple as that. You can usually cover deleted emails from the trash within a certain time frame. So sometimes it's go away. As you can see, it's right now I have some in my trash, but very soon to be deleted. Let's say in the next 30 days. By using this method, you should be able to efficiently find old emails in your Gmail account. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.